my misery, 'cause I'm too deep to wanna be okay. If this hole in my chest is all I got left of you, then I'll keep bleeding, knowing that the pain helps me remember you. It's ripping me open, but it's better than nothing. So if I can't have you, then I'll take what's left of you. Why not me? Wish that I could take your